Saturday, Christmas Eve. And the Bills are playing Chicago. And Buffalo's getting slammed by a storm, a blizzard. It has to be the most intense Christmas storm of all time. Anyone that was left out there, I'm very sorry for you. Anyone that was left in their car, ooh, it had to be scary. This was one for the ages. Anyway, what are we going to do for this game? Let's not take Chicago lightly. In very cold weather in a storm, that is when it's hard to pass. Chicago's strength is running, but we can do that too. We need your legs, Singletary, Cook, McKenzie. Let's get those wheels going. Let's get the legs going. It might not be that as bad in Chicago as it is in Chickawaga. I'll see you game time. Seven nothing Chicago. They kind of marched down the field kind of easily. First drive of the game. Looks like Allen. We're gonna need Allen today.
Nice play design. They take advantage of Kyler Gordon, who is responsible. You see him get there late. He's looking at Davis almost the entire time. Right there, he's left. So the corner and the safety on that side, they have got to be able.
7-6. We missed an extra point. Chicago has the ball. Really good field position, so hopefully our defense can step up. 10-6 at the end of the half. Interceptions, missed kicks, an extra point, and a field goal. It is freezing out here, but I'm so upset. Stop doing this.
Now it's just one-on-one. Singletary.
This is the best I've ever seen our running backs looking combo. So, yes. Guys, the running game looks fantastic. So, let's just keep rolling with it, right? They are killing it in the trenches with the backs. James Cook looks super. Oh my goodness, Singletary, they look so good. All right, go Bills. We're up 21-10. Hey everyone, 21-13, and after a couple good runs, we're looking a little sloppy. We have the ball. Let's not turn it over.
No jinx.
Bye. At 21-13, Chicago has the ball. I'm getting a little nervous here. The anxiety is starting to kick in.
He just drives back. Jones right into Justin. And the defense a lot of credit as well.
All right, go defense. Woo!
Gordon plays well before. This time he tries to come up on Allen and then just
Bills win 35-13, and maybe I didn't need to overreact there. But boy, it did feel a little close for a little while. And then we just started breaking away. We were too much for them. And I'm just going to lay back in this pile of snow here and celebrate a Bills victory. Whoa! Hey, if you like videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Go Bills!
staff, great job.
Great for our organization, man. 3 of these in a row. It's a heck of a job. I'm trying to do. Give yourself a
I also told the guys, the Buffalo airport is closed down. We're staying in Chicago tonight. Think about the Buffalo Bills and what they've been through over the last 4 or 5 weeks, having to move a game to Detroit, have to play in a bomb cyclone and everything else. I mean, it's just absolutely crazy what's going on.
Yeah, it really is. I mean, it's been something with the weather, but as we saw once again, Buffalo can handle bad weather, that's for sure.